Morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning, Suraj. Good morning, Kaustubh. Good morning, Mukund.
Good morning, sir.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guru Namaha. Now we are having one look. How will you checkmate black? One look to
Sir, sir, R E2.
or E2 ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣ. You have to push the king to last row. R E2 ಇರ್ತೀಯಾ? ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದದು?
Sir, Kaustubh.
ಕೌಸ್ತುಭ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. You have to bring both king and rook.
Okay, sir. Sir, R.
King ಕಣ.
R.
King.
Okay, sir.
No, sir.
Hello,
Sir,
ಹೇಳು.
Sir, KD2.
KD2. ಓಕೆ.
Hello, sir.
So ಏನು ಯಾರು?
Sir, Sujan.
ಸುಜನ್. ಆಯ್ತು ನೋಡು, ಇದು ಒನ್ ಲುಕ್ ಚೆಕ್ಮೇಟ್ ನೋಡು ಹೇಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನೋಡು. ನಾವು ಬಾಟಿ ನೋಡು.
Sir, R E5
ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಟು ಅಂತ ಹೊಡೆದ್ ಬಿಡತ್ ಕಣೋ.
Sir,
King
KD3.
KD3. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂವ್ C5. ಸುಜನ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೇನೋ ಸುಜನ್?
Ah, sir.
Sir,
ಲುಕ್ ಚೆಕ್ಮೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
sir, RE5.
RE5. Now I'll move here. What?
Sir, KD4.
KD4. Now king will move here. What will do?
Sir, C5. RC5.
RC5 ತಪ್ಪು ಕಣ. RD5 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. You have to block one column at a time.
Okay.
ನಿನ್ನೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಮುಕುಂದ್ ಸೇರಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ? ಹಲೋ, ನಿನ್ನೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಮುಕುಂದು?
ಏನ್ ಸರ್?
ನಿನ್ನೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಮುಕುಂದು?
ಸರ್, ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ. ಈಗೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
Yes, sir.
RD6
ತಪ್ಪು ಕಣ. ಈ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಈ ರೋ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
ಸರ್ K ಸರ್.
R look moment. Where should it move?
R5.
Sir, RC5.
Now king ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ you have to bring the king again.
Yes sir.
C4 ಕಣ.
Sir, king sir.
Now what will you do?
Yes, sir.
B5 sir. RB5.
KB4 ಕಣ. ನಾವು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಮತ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ ತರಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ ತರಬೇಕು.
Okay sir.
You have to block one row, one column at a time. ಮತ್ತೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಈಗ?
AB5.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Raghav. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Now king should be brought. ಹೇಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ?
Sir, KB6.
KB6. King 8.
Sir, RC8. Sir, RC8.
ಮೊದಲಿಂದ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಈಗ, ಮತ್ತೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
Yes, sir.
ಸರ್, ನಂಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
ಏನು? ಯಾರದು?
ಸರ್, ನಾನು ಕೌಸ್ತುಭ್.
ಹೇಳ ಕೌಸ್ತುಭ್, ಹೇಳು.
ಸರ್, N% ಮೂವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ 5th ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್
ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. N% ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಲುಕ್ ಮಾಡು, ಆಮೇಲೆ N% ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಲುಕ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಈಗ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಹಾಂ ಸರ್. ಸರ್, E2.
ನಾವು KF4 ಒಟ್ಟು N% ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
ಸರ್, ರೂಕ್ D3.
Rook D3. ನಾವು king D4. king E4.
ಸರ್, ರೂಕ್ E3.
Rook E3. ಬೇಡ ಕಣೋ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಳ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ ತಳ್ಳೋದು ಬೇಡ. ಕಿಂಗ್ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡು. ಕಿಂಗ್ D2 ತ.
ಕಿಂಗ್ D2.
ನಾವು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಈಗ ಒನ್ ರೋ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಈ ರೋ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡು, ಈ ರೋ ಈ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡು. ಹೇಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ?
ಆರ್ ಇ
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಕಿಂಗ್ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಮುಂತಲ್ಲ, ಕಿಂಗ್ ಮುಂತ
ಸರ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ D3.
ಕಿಂಗ್ D3. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದೆ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? ಹಲೋ,
A4 ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
Yes, sir.
ನಾವು ಈಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ K4 ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ?
RE4
ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಈಗೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
AD4.
AD4. ಓಕೆ. ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂವ್ ಬಟ್ ನೋಡು
Sir RE4. Sir RE4.
RE4. Okay. King will move to F6. What will you do?
Sir RE5.
You know, Sujan.
Hello, sir.
ಸುಜನ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೇನೋ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಇದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀನು. ಓಕೆ.
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
Sir RE5.
RE5. ಓಕೆ. Now king will move here. ನೋಡು.
Sir KD5.
KD5.
Sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Sai Narayan.
Sorry for late, sir. I was partying.
Okay. Next week, 10:30 to 10:30 class. You have to play tournament also, all of you. Wait to play.
Sir RG5.
RG5 ತಪ್ಪು ಕಣೋ. Then king will kill.
Sir king. Sir E4. KE4.
Now I'll move here. What will you do?
RF5.
RF5. Okay. Now KG7. What will you do? You have to bring the king forward.
Hello.
Hello.
Sir
Things are my cat.
Sir KE5.
KE5. Now I'll move here. What will you do?
KE8. Sir sorry sir.
ಡ್ರಾ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಕಣೋ, ಗೆಲ್ಬೇಕು ಕಣೋ. ಡ್ರಾ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಗೆಲ್ಬೇಕು.
14 moves ಆಗೋದ್ರೆ ಡಾಗ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ, 50 moves. 50 moves.
Sir, RF6.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣ, ಮುಂದ್ ಬರಕ್ ಬಿಡಬಾರ್ದು ಕಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನ, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. ಕಿಂಗ್ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್.
Sir KF4.
Now king G7.
Sir
Sir, E5. RE5.
Sir KG5.
KG5. Okay. Now if it moves here.
Sir
F7.
Sir F6.
F7 is correct. Now king moves here. What will
Sir,
you
I told that answer.
do? China and very good.
Sir KG6.
KG correct. King moves to G8. One waiting.
G7.
Sir, RF6.
RF6 is correct. RF6 is correct. Now king moves.
Sir, I told.
China and one move checkmate. Can you
Sir, rook to F8.
correct?
RF8.
Correct.
King can't move anywhere, or
Yes.
king will cut king. It can't happen, right?
Can you move to different type of draws? Or,
Yes, sir.
huh?
Sir
Checkmate.
Checkmate you want?
One checkmate.
One move or two moves?
Sir
Two
4
moves.
moves. Sir 2 moves.
One moves ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಆಮೇಲೆ two moves ಹೋಗೋಣ.
Okay sir.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ.
White to play checkmate black in two moves. White to play in checkmate black in two moves. Yes, that one.
White to play checkmate black in one move.
One move, okay.
White to play in checkmate black in
I'm
one.
famous at checkmate.
Okay.
Sir,
But-
queen to h8. Queen to h8.
Sir, checkmate, sir.
Checkmate. Now can I go to in passing problem?
Ha, sir.
White
Sir.
to play. White to play. After this problem, I go to in passing. White to play in checkmate black in one move.
Sir, sir, qf8, qf8, qf8.
Correct.
Sir, Q F8.
Correct. Correct. Now king can't move here or here. Soldier is moving from b7 to b5. That's wrong. Right. In passing. Na?
Yes, sir.
White to play in checkmate black in one.
White to play checkmate.
Sir,
Sir, RC7, RC7, RC7.
R7, then bishop will kill the rook.
Sir,
bishop.
B6.
Sir,
Sir,
bishop.
B6.
Sir, bishop.
Sir,
Bishop.
B.
Sir,
Sir,
bishop.
B5, sir,
No.
B5.
B5, sir.
b5, then king will. No, it is stalemate. Now king cannot move anywhere. No moves are possible. That's stalemate.
No, sir. King can move to
No,
B.
black to play. Where can it move? It cannot move here or here. Draw. No moves are possible. It is a draw. White to play in checkmate black in one move.
Checkmate.
That is stalemate.
Sir, KB6, KB6.
KB6 ಹೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಕಣೋ. King cannot go to b6. King cannot go in.
Sir, R H8. Sir, R H8.
Pawn
AB.
should go.
Oh, Raghav told correctly. AB is correct. Now king can't, soldier cannot kill. King can't come here. I'll go to. Did you get it? So, soldier has moved b7 to b5. Now you can kill like this. This is impatient. Good.
Sir, impatient move ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 steps ಮುಂದೆ ಇದ್ರೇನೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಥವಾ 1 step ಮುಂದೆ
Two
ಇದ್ರೇನೆ
step ಮುಂದೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆಗೋದು. One step ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನೋಟ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
Okay. Okay, sir. 5333 chess problem.
To play in checkmate black in one move.
Sir,
Only one move.
sir, R F7. Sir, R F7.
R7 and king will go to h8. Only one move. Only
Sir, knight. Sir. Sir,
Sir, knight to f5.
knight to f5, then king can go to g8 or h8. Only one move.
Not, sir. I am telling G3 knight.
G3 now, then king can go to h8. Only one move. Only one move.
knight
king.
Sir, knight to F7, sir, F7.
Knight
Sir,
Knight.
B6.
One ನಿಮಿಷ ಇರು ರಾಘವ್ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿ. king can't go here or here. It is stalemate. ರಾಘವ್ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿ ಕಣ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Sir, Teri. Yes, sir.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳು.
Yes, sir.
White to play.
sir,
Kaustuv.
queen should kill the
Kaustuv,
pawn. Sir, I got.
What? Tell me.
Sir, queen should go to G6 and kill the pawn, sir. Black
Then
pawn.
king will kill. The king will go to h8. Only one move.
QF6.
Qf6, then king will kill the rook. Like one move.
Sir, R F F7.
F7.
R7 ಆಯ್ತು. Then king can go to h8. King can go to h8. Only one move is there for you.
RF7. No. Sir, RF7. That
R7 I just showed no. King can go to h8.
Sir, I guess.
that
ಒಂದೇ ನಿಮಿಷ.
B7. Look in B7 to RF.
Sir, I guess they want to pass.
Soldier movement. n% ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಹೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಶೋ. n%.
Sir, B is B5, B5, B5.
D6. D6.
Sir, D6, sir, D6, D6.
D. Now king
Okay,
bishop is king can't come here. ಏನು ರಾಘವ್ ನಿಂದು ಮೈ ಟುಡೇ ಇಸ್ ಟುಡೇ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಬರ್ಡೇ ಇಸ್ ಟುಡೇ
ಇಲ್ಲ sir.
ಬರ್ಡೇ ನಿಂದು ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ಡೇ ಕಣೋ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ
Thank you sir.
ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ವಿಚ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿಂಗ್ ನೌ
Sir 10th.
happy wish you all the success for future okay wish you all the best
Yes sir.
thank you
Thank you sir.
ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದಲೇ ಕಳಿಸು
All the best.
okay
Nothing, sir. I'm telling all the best.
all the best.
Thank you.
White to play in checkmate black in one move. One move.
Sir, I cannot see anything.
Oh, okay. I'll
Yes,
say
it's paused.
no, it is not coming automatically. Some problem. White to play. Checkmate.
Okay, sir.
One move.
Sir,
Sir,
N%.
ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದಾ sir?
N%.
Sir, RB8, 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 RB8.
RB8, then king will kill the rook.
Sir,
R6.
ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದಾ
Oh,
sir?
one move, one move.
One day, one move.
Sir, pawn.
R.
Ten
Pawn
percent
A6.
on
Sir,
A,
pawn.
A, B, B, H. So king can't come here or here or here or here. Correct. Was that the?
How pawn can move?
Jairama? Jairam?
Pawn, move, could it move cross?
Raghav is attending in iPad.
Hey, Jairam.
No, in laptop.
AB6, correct.
Why is my laptop is recording this?
I am recording it. I will send thing after the problem.
Sir, I don't know why is my laptop is recording this class.
I am recording. I am recording.
Sir is recording.
Oh, okay.
We can't record. Only sir can record.
I am recording.
I was scared when I recorded it. You are viewing. Okay. Sir, your screen is paused.
1 minute. 1 minute.
No, sir is doing some other work.
I am sharing the problem.
Sir,
Okay, I will share. It is not. White to play and get a queen. White to play and get a queen.
white to play and get a queen.
How you
Sir, pawn to h6. Pawn to h6.
H6.
P6.
now pawn push? What will you do?
Sir, B. Sir, B.
Sir.
F4. Sir, B, F4.
Bf4. Then I will move here. Then I will move here. What will you do?
Sir, ph7. ph7. ph7.
King into bishop.
Sir, start from first. Sir, start from first. Sir, start from first, sir.
Oh, start from first. Okay. Now tell me. White to play and win. Get a queen.
Sir, pawn to h6. Pawn to h6.
Who told this? Now I'll move here. What will you
Sir,
do?
Sinai.
China and then China. Now I'll move here.
Sir, no, sir.
Sir, I didn't tell. I
Okay,
tell
then.
pawn to h6.
That
Pawn
is
to
wrong, I
h6.
told. That is wrong. Pawn to f6 is wrong. Now I'll move here. Now I'll move here.
Sir, it is black to play or white to
White
play,
to play.
sir?
White to play. White to play. White to play. Raghav, can you tell? Raghav, can you tell?
Yes, sir.
Okay, madam.
Sir, B, H, C, H2.
BS2, then pawn will move here.
B, F4, sir. B, F4, ಆಮೇಲೆ pawn push, sir.
BF4 is correct. Correct. Now you are blocking the movement for pawn. Now pawn push. Unstoppable queen. Unstoppable queen. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Now whatever you do, it will get queen.
Yes, sir.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನಾವು ಬ್ಲಾಕಿಂಗ್ ದ ವೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಹಲೋ
Hey.
Ah, sir.
ಸುಜನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತೇನೋ ಸುಜನ್?
ಸರ್ ಅದ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಪಾನ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಬಿಷಪ್ ಕ್ವೀನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ ಕಿಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲಾಗತ್ತೆ? ಈಗಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕಿಂಗ್. ಈಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ವೀನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಷಪ್ F4 ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ನೋಡು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು.
ಸರ್ ಅದ್ರ ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಎತ್ತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಸರ್, ಬೇರೆ ತಗೋಬಹುದಲ್ಲ?
ಕ್ವೀನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಗೆಲ್ತಿ ಹಾಕೋಣ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
ಸರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
Yes, sir.
Passed pawn. Passed pawn.
Black to plain
Black
bean.
is
Black to
first.
plain bean. Black to plain bean.
Black plain win.
Black to
No,
plain.
no, no. Sir, which moment, sir?
Black. I flip the board. I will flip the board.
RE1.
Okay, okay.
RE1.
Sir, bishop should go to
RE1 is
RE.
correct. Now look into rook. What will you do?
Sir, pawn into rook. Pawn into rook.
Pawn to rook.
Uh-huh.
I will kill the queen. I will kill the queen. That is wrong. Now tell.
Oh, sir.
Now tell.
QD. No.
Q H3. Q H3.
Then pawn will kill the queen. That's wrong.
No, no, no. Yes.
QA4.
ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಈಗ
A4 ಹೆಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಕಣೋ? QA4
Yes, sir.
ಪಾನ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬಿಡತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು ಕ್ವೀನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ, ವೈಟ್ ಪಾನ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಪಾನ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಸರ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಸರ್ QE6
A4 ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಟು ಪಾನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. That's wrong.
ಸರ್ QE6 ಸರ್ QE6
QE6 ತಪ್ಪು ಕಣೋ. Then queen
ಸರ್ QD4.
QD4 correct. ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯಾ?
ಸರ್ ಇವಾಗ ಕ್ವೀನ್ ತಗೋಬಹುದಲ್ಲ ಸರ್? ಕ್ವೀನ್
ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಚೆಕ್ಮೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಟು ಕ್ವೀನ್, ಪಾನ್ ಟು ಕ್ವೀನ್, ರುಕ್ ಚೆಕ್ಮೇಟ್, ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಚೆಕ್ಮೇಟ್.
Wow.
Wow.
It's done.
Who told? Sai Narayana?
Yes, sir. It's nice.
It's nice, huh? After the class,
Even I know it.
recording. I'll send
Even
the
I know
recording.
it.
You knew it? Okay.
In real chess, we should play only one queen, not two queens.
Why
That is the main chess game.
to plain B? Why to plain B?
White to plain win.
How is the class going on?
Nice, sir. It's going nice. Sir, rook to G7. Rook to G7.
ಸರ್ ನೈಟ್
Rook to
ಸರ್
G7.
To
ಸರ್
G7.
ಆರ್ಎಲ್ G7 ಸರ್
To G7.
ಸರ್ ನೈಟ್
Now king H8, what will you do?
Sir, knight to F8, sir. Knight to KF8, sir. KF8.
Knight F8, then king will kill the rook. Black will win. Black will win. White has to win. White has to win.
RG8.
Then king will kill the rook.
Sir,
RH7.
RA7.
RH7.
Okay. Now king moves here.
Sir, rook
Sir,
should
pawn to G7. Pawn to G7.
Pawn to G7.
Pawn to
Rook
G7.
movement. Rook
rook
movement.
should go to H8, sir.
Rook to go to H8. Who told? Kaustuba?
No, sir. Me, Suraj.
Correct. Now can you tell the move?
ಸರ್ ನೈಟ್ ಟು
No.
Sir,
Pawn
pawn to
to
G7. Pawn to
G7.
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 Pawn to G7.
Now king moves here. Now pawn to queen. Pawn to rook. Check. Now
Pawn to rook check.
now queen here checkmate. I'll show from beginning. Rook G7. King is forced to move to H8. Now rook H7. King is forced to move here. Now rook H8. Moves, then pawn push. Checkmate. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? ಹಲೋ.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು sir.
White to plain bean. White to plain bean. I'll flip the board. White to play.
Sir, wait, sir. Your sir, your screen is paused.
Oh, 1 minute, 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
It is not happening automatically. Some problem. Wait to play.
Yes, sir. Hmm.
RC8.
Sir, why to
RC8. Then I will move the rook here. Check. King moves, then I will get a queen. Black will get a queen. That is wrong.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell the way?
Sir, king to F2. King to F2.
King to F2 is not possible. Rook is supporting the pawn.
Sir, RC3, sir, RC3.
RC3 is also wrong. Then king will move here.
RF3.
Sir, RF3, sir, RF3.
RF3. RF. So I move here. What will you do?
Sir, check, sir, check.
Not check. What will you do? Rook movement.
RD4.
RD4 ತಪ್ಪು ಕಣ. R here. RC8.
RF8.
RC8. Unstoppable queen.
Sir,
RF2 ತಪ್ಪು ಕಣ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರುಕ್ ಕ್ವೀನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಈಗ ರುಕ್ಕಿಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
ಸರ್ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್
ನಂದು ಫುಲ್ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ ಕಣ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್. ನೋಡು ನಿನ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಾ ನೋಡು. ಹಲೋ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಫುಲ್ ಆಗೇ ಇದೆ ಸರ್, ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ.
Rook D8, sir. Rook D8. ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನೋ ಅನ್ಸ್ಟಾಪಬಲ್ ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? Now can you go to next problem?
Sir, checkmate problem.
Checkmate problem ಅಲ್ಲ. Win black.
Oh, sorry.
Black to play and win. I'll flip the board.
Okay, sir. Black to play and win.
Sir, your screen is
I am
paused.
saying now. I am saying. Black to play. Black to play and win.
Black to play and win.
Yes.
Sir, pawn. No.
Black to play and get a queen. Black to play and get a queen.
Get a queen.
ಹೌದು.
Sir, that the pawn in F2, sir, should go to one step forward and get one queen, sir.
Then black king will kill the queen. This is not correct.
Sir, pawn to C1.
Then also king rook will kill the queen.
No, sorry, sir.
BC3.
Sir,
BC3.
No.
Sir, BC.
BC3.
Sir, BC3, sir, BC3.
Now rook into bishop. What will you do? Rook into bishop. What?
Sir, queen. Sir, queen.
No, not immediately queen. Next move you tell me. Next move.
Not immediately.
Second move.
KG.
Sir,
KG2.
KG2 is correct. If black kills this pawn, then pawn push queen. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತೇನಾ?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
king. Sir, what if king cuts the queen?
King cannot cut the king. King is supporting it. King is supporting.
Sir, how can king cut the king?
No, king cannot come. Check. No, queen is giving check to king.
Sir, king ಇನ್ನೊಂದು king ಜೊತೆ one step ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಸರ್?
ಹೌದು ಕಣ ಹೌದು.
Yes, sir.
Now king cannot cut the king. King has to move, then black will win. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತೇನಾ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So just so
Yes.
White to
pause.
class going on? How is the class going on?
Nice, sir.
Sir, fine, sir.
Nice.
It's good, sir.
Good.
Yes.
White to play and win. White to play and win. In 10 minutes ಇದೆ. 10 minutes ಇದೆ.
F7.
Sir, pawn into knight. Pawn into knight.
Pawn to
Pawn
knight.
to
Pawn into
Rook here. That is wrong.
F7.
F7 is also wrong. Then king will go here.
Sir, RG.
No.
Sir,
R7. Sir, RG7.
RG7. Then it's not a black.
Sir,
Sir, RH5. RH5.
RH5.
RH5.
No, rook kills the bishop. Rook, what will you do?
Soldier
point to knight.
F7 and F8.
Unstoppable queen. Correct. Unstoppable queen. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
Unstoppable queen check.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
Sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
White to play in win. White to play in win.
white playing in.
White to play and get a queen. After the problem game class, I will send a video recording.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Rook should go to F8, sir.
No, that is wrong. Rook should not. Bishop movement. First movement is bishop movement.
Bishop.
Bishop moment.
Okay, okay. Okay, sir. Okay,
Correct.
sir.
Raghav is correct. Now king moves here. No, that's wrong. That's wrong. Rook movement. Rook movement. Rook movement.
Sir, RF6. RF6. Ayo,
RF.
RF8. RF8. RF8.
Now rook will kill the rook. What will you do?
Sir, pawn, and
No,
someone.
no. Now you have to think and answer. Now what will you do? No, then king will come here. What will
Pawn
you do?
into. Sir,
No,
pawn
king
into
will
rook.
come
Sir.
here. What will you do? That is wrong. Now,
Sir, pawn into rook, sir.
no, that is wrong. Then king will kill the pawn. Black, white to get a queen. That is wrong, Raghav.
Sir, pawn D8. Pawn D8.
No, then rook will kill the pawn. That is wrong. Rook movement. Bishop. Hey, elegant kano. Bishop B3 kano. Bishop B3. Now if king moves, then pawn to rook. Unstoppable queen. Was that the?
Oh, okay.
I'll show it again. First move is bishop B2. B2. Now king moves to D. Now rook here check. King comes here. Now rook kills. Then bishop B3 check. Did you get it?
Sir, why will the king not move to H8, sir? H8.
1 minute. First move check. H8 immediately check and black kills the queen and it will be checkmate. It will be checkmate. What's that?
Yes, sir, got it.
Sir, gottaito, sir.
That's what I mean, sir.
Black to play in win. Black to play in win. Black to play in win. I'll flip the board.
Sir, pause ಆಗಿದೆ sir ನಿಮ್
ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ
screen.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಇದು ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ ಇವತ್ತು ಕೆಲವು ಸಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಕೆಲವು ಸಲ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ
Sir, queen H1.
ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ
Oh, sorry, sir. Queen.
Exchange the queen and get a new queen. Black to play. ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣೋ ರಾಘವ್ ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಟು ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾ
Yes, sir.
ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ರಾಘವ್
Sir.
ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಟು ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಕಣೋ
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay.
Now queen to queen. Now what will you do? Can you tell? You have to get a queen.
Sir, pawn.
No, rook night moment.
Sir, knight to F4.
Knight to E3 is correct.
Knight to E3.
Now if king, wherever it is unstoppable queen, pawn push queen. If it moves here also queen. Now if it moves here also queen, unstoppable queen. Correct? Was that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now king kills, now queen, pawn push queen. Correct?
Yes, sir.
This past pawn and kilter. Black to play and win. I'll flip the board.
Yes, sir. Sir, ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ sir.
ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ಕಣ ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ
Yes, sir.
Plain bean. Black to plain bean.
Mm,
Black to plain, get a queen.
mm,
Sir, pawn into
Look,
black.
no, pawn ಅದು ತಪ್ಪು ಕಣ. Black to
Sir,
plain.
pawn into white pawn, sir.
No. Who told Ari? Raghav told correctly. RD1. Now king D1. Now one. Can you tell the next move?
Sir, pawn into
sir,
pawn.
pawn into pawn. Pawn into pawn.
Unstop with queen. Correct. Correct. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now can we go to one move checkmate problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. I'm famous for checkmate.
Yes, sir. We can move, sir.
White to play in checkmate black in one move. I'll flip the board. White to play in checkmate black in one move.
Sir, pawn to F5. Pawn to F5.
Correct. Sai Narayan ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೋ? Very good, Sai Narayan.
Yes,
Correct.
sir.
King can't come here or here. Correct.
Okay, sir.
White to play checkmate black in one move. One move.
Sir, the
Bold
queen
one.
is first.
White to play. String is fast. Oh.
Sir, bold
Yes, sir.
person only I can see, sir.
ಬಂತು. ಈಗ ಬಂತು ನೋಡಿ. ಬಂತಾ?
Yes, sir. Now
Yeah.
I can see.
White to
sir.
play. White to play.
Sir,
Sir,
white
queen to
Yes, sir, queen
F7.
should-
Queen to
Yes, sir.
F7. Queen to
G7.
F7.
Correct. Now it is checkmate. King can't come here or here. Correct.
I said. Yes.
White to play
Yes, sir.
checkmate black in one move. One move.
Yes, sir.
Sir, knight to H7. No.
No. Then look will kill them.
BH6. BH6.
H6. Correct. Now king can't come here or here. Correct. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Wow.
White to play checkmate black in one move. One move.
One move.
Sir,
Sir,
queen should-
knight to
sir, queen
D6.
should-
Knight to D6.
NC7. NC7.
NC7 is correct. NC7 is correct.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Now king can't come here or here. Correct. Correct.
Sir,
Queen,
Yeah?
queen
sir,
is
if
giving.
queen comes in E7 also it's check close, sir.
No, it is not. 1 minute also. When queen comes to each one, then king will kill the queen. King will kill the queen. NC7 is.
Queen can't come anywhere.
Now knight comes, then it will be checkmate. Did you get it?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
White to play in
Remaining
checkmate
time,
black.
123.
Last minute, last problem. White to play in checkmate black.
Okay, sir.
One minute.
UA8.
So A8 tappu kana. Then king can go to D7. Only one move.
D7.
No, then king will kill the pawn.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. QC6.
Which is correct.
C6, sir.
Correct, correct.
Yes, sir.
King come. Can I chant mantra and close the class?
Sir,
How was the class? How was
Yes,
the class?
next sir.
Nice.
Sir,
I'll
nice,
send the
sir.
video
Fine,
recording.
sir.
I'll send the video
Yes, sir.
recording. Namaskar.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
शास्त्र पादक शिरोभावी शास्त्र नामने पुरुषार्थ शास्त्र शास्त्र कोटि के धारणे ओम शांति शांति.
Nice sir. I like the class.
Wish you happy birthday. Wish you happy birthday, Raghav.
Thank you, sir.
Happy birthday,
Thank you, sir.
Raghav.
Raghav.
Happy birthday, Raghav.
Thank you.
Thank
Okay,
you.
Raghav.
Thank you. I'll close the class.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Raghav. Thank you, Kaustubh. Thank you, Suraj.
Hang,
Thank you, sir.